Hello everybody, this is Moses from Out There Gardens. I'm going to do an update. I'm going to do actually a series. This is the first video of the series of trying to grow wasabi again. I grew wasabi pretty successfully. Mostly ate the leaves, and it grew a big, I'm not too sure what you can call it, not a taproot, but the portion that you can make wasabi with. It grew pretty big, but one day, just in one day, it got overwhelmed with aphids. I don't know why, but in one day it did. So I'm trying again. This has been a while now. I cleaned these pots out. They're brand new, but I still cleaned them out with hydrogen peroxide and water, then washed it all out. Then I put my potting soil that has a lot of perlite in it. I noticed that if I added perlite to the soil mix, when I did this last time with 3, experimenting, the one that had a lot of perlite grew a lot better. And it's that same case now. I'm watering them. I'll show the result of a few of them. One of them I'm worried about already. And I suggest if you purchase any wasabi to grow, don't just buy one, of course, buy more than one. I'm watering them only once a week or once every 10 days. These are inside, I'm outside now. These are house plants. They won't survive out where I live. I water them with Fiji, or I would probably choose reverse osmosis as well, but putting it in the fridge so it's nice and cold water. So you can see, let's show you right now, because you can see right here, this is growing pretty well on this one. This one, I think maybe a dud, unfortunately. And this one, I think is trying to push growth, but something's happening, I'm not too sure. Sometimes the outer layer of skin will look like that, and then it'll peel open like this. Sorry for the focusing, one moment. It'll peel open like that. A lot of camera shifting because I'm getting really close. But yeah, so this obviously is gonna be, hopefully gonna really do well. These right here are the old leaves, they're drying up. This is the new leaves coming out. This is what I got when I received them. These leaves were present, but you know, during the travel, it didn't really make it. I put the bag that it came in the fridge for about 24 hours, then I planted them to cool them off because it got pretty warm when they on delivery. All right, everybody, so this is the first video of the series. I'm gonna keep going with it. We'll see what happens. I'm not too sure with this one at all. This one may be doing well, and this one looks like it's gonna be the one, and hopefully it keeps growing and makes pups for me, or whatever they call the offshoots. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.